So we already see the huge hype currently in the Tron community. We see new Tron coins blowing up recently. We have seen thousands of percent in a single day. We're going to be talking about one of those coins in this video and showing you how much potential that these coins have, considering we are very early on to this coin. So without wasting more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this coin, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen currently over at Dex Tools, looking at all the coins on the Tron chain. So if you do want to look at all of these coins, you could head over to Dex Tools, click the top left button here and select Tron. We could see this new badge, and we can now officially filter it by Tron coins only. So we could see these huge coins currently in the market right now, absolutely blowing up. Sunburn currently daily gainers, top daily gainers, 14,000% up in just the past 24 hours. We see Rock up 3,000%, Fred 2,000%, and all of these other crazy meme coins as well, doing absolutely outrageous performance. And if we look at some of these coins, we could see they are blowing up. We see Fred, if we look at the #1 pair on Dex Tools for Tron, we could see past 24 hours up 1,400%. Created just 2 hours ago, and volume is already at $2.8 million, and volatility around 20, and liquidity and market cap at around $1.41 million. So crazy. Just 2 hours ago it was launched and already doing absolutely tremendous performance. If we look at the hourly chart, let's switch over, let's say the 5-minute chart, we could see this crazy trading going on. We see all of these buy orders, we see all of this bullish action, and if we look at the market cap, $1.46 million, and this is absolutely blowing up. We could buy this coin from SunSwap. We could see Sunpump is the new era of pump.fund. So we recently saw pump.fund, where it was crazy SOLANA meme coins that were listing and going absolutely crazy after they have gained a certain amount of market cap. And for Sunpump, we see that these coins are also trying to gain a certain amount of market cap, which is around 78,000, something around there, for each coin to get listed on SunSwap. And after it gets listed, we could see, if we check this box, we could see the coins already listed there, and we could start trading these coins on SunSwap. Or if you would like to use a Telegram bot, we have another Telegram bot for that as well. So if we look at Tron bot and if the Tron trade bot, so this is another trading bot, Telegram for the Tron chain. So you could check this bot from the link down in the description, and you could sign up and start trading these coins instantly after you connect your wallet. And for this, you will need another wallet. So you need a wallet like TronLink, where you could connect it and start trading through the Tron chain, and you could buy these Tron cryptocurrencies from there as well. So after you have created this wallet, you could connect it to Sunpump directly, and which is very high risk. So if you don't want to take such a huge risk, you could check this box and you could see the ones already listed and already gained a decent amount of hype already. And if you want to take even less risk, you could head over to Dex Tools to these hot pairs, and you could start trading these ones instantly. So you could see the most popular currently coin right now is called Sundog, at a market cap of $213 million, and it past 24-hour volume of $11.93 million. So crazy coin potential we see here. We could see this absolutely huge rally that this coin has had. If we just take a quick look at this, over 11,000%, absolutely outrageous gains in just, I would say, 3 to 4 days. And actually it was 6 days, and this coin was created 6 days ago, and we are seeing new coins like listing in the past couple hours. 6 hours ago, we could see 21 hours ago, 2 hours ago, we see this new coin called Sunbull just 11 hours ago, and we could see absolutely crazy market cap, 514,000. Even if it was to go to a couple million, that's an easy 3 to 10x we have already here. And these crazy percent numbers, we see Rock, also another huge one, $2.3 million market cap and $1.59 million of volume daily, and these charts are looking pretty bullish as well. So you could go over to Dex Tools, check them out, and if you would like to trade any of these, head over to the Telegram bot, connect your wallet, and you could start trading instantly. So do make sure to check the bot out from the link down in the description. Absolutely crazy gains. Sunburn, if we head over there, $332,000 market cap we see, and $1.71 million of market cap. So this is one of the popular ones we are seeing also. So the biggest in meme coin currently we have is Sundog, still great potential, already at $221 million in market cap. In the past 7 days, it is up 334,000%. Absolutely outrageous from the beginning to even the current price. And if we were to go to the top all-time high, we would see even crazier numbers. 334,000, absolutely outrageous number. That is about 3,000x on a single coin in just 6 days. Absolutely outrageous numbers we are seeing. Again, this is very high risk. You could win it all or you could lose it all. So do make sure to do your own research before getting into any of these coins. This is a very volatile market right now, but also crazy gains also in the community. So do this at your own risk, but if you are interested, do make sure to check out the trading bot we have here for Tron meme coins. Do your own research at Dex Tools, and if you are interested in any of these coins, you could start trading today. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about the crazy Tron meme coin hype we are currently seeing in the market. Absolutely crazy gains, over 3,000x we've seen in just the past couple of days, and very volatile market right now. So if you are willing to take the risk, do make sure to check it out from the link down in the description. So if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this new narrative, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.